Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today, what the market has to offer. And we had a little delay today, but all good. We're gonna be back in track very soon. Very good opportunities for us to not trade the open, as we could get smoke in this type of market. So SPY is going very nicely up. So what do we wanna try to trade? Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, except our little problems with the computer there.
Yeah.
Good job.
No major things, you know.
And you fixed it.
We fix it, yeah. Yeah, boss, yes. Alright, so I'm probably gonna try to take Nvidia long.
Yeah, SPY looks very bullish right now.
I'm looking at the tape on Nvidia because I want to determine yeah, I'm trying to go long on Nvidia. Let's see. Yeah, the chart is not favoring the short, but we're gonna be a little bit counter. We got the trade right now, so we got a long on Nvidia.
Okay.
So let's get just. Oops. What was that? Okay, this is really. Let's just. I have to fix those accounts. Yeah, I have to be switching accounts, so
Okay.
that's not good for me and not very counterintuitive. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Let's see. There is no rush for that trade, you know. We have to let it puke a bit. Or let it go without you, because right now it's going without you. Just because of hotkey mistake or account mistake. So let's just fix that from the good to go. Let's just fix that from the good to go. Maria, do you have a trade?
I was Ionic. I think I'm going to be out of that trade. So Ionic is number 1 in Arvo.
Did you look at SoFi?
No.
Yeah, Ionic, okay. Rigetti too, those names are QBTS. Those names are flying right now. So you are in Ionic.
Yes.
Look at you.
We'll see.
So do I want to go short on Nvidia? Let's see. That looks more like a short. That doesn't look like a short, but we're gonna try a short on Nvidia. Let's see. Let's see. It could work, but I have a tighter stop loss on that one just because where it is, how it's looking like. If it's going to be a long, I don't want to be wrong in there. So okay, that was a configuration I did the other day. Yeah, now we're talking about that. It was a little bit counterintuitive the way I had my level 2 set up. I like more the loan right now, but like
When you're looking at the market, like I said, really strong, really, really bullish.
today's Thursday, right? Yeah, I don't know if SAC is gonna be jumping on or not. How is Ionic?
Flat.
You are going short? Short.
But not working, like, I mean, it's not really moving.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I don't like that. So there seems to be, but we'll see. Like right now, it's still underneath. It's underneath all of our levels, but is above the PCL.
Okay.
Are you in anything?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Nvidia, but I got me out.
Okay.
I was a poor trade. Yes,
You were NVIDIA.
Nvidia short. I think it is a short. It's just not the right prices right now. So for me to go short.
671.
So I am retrying the short. I think I'm applying the same logic than yesterday. So what I mean by that, yesterday wasn't able to cross by 13 cents.
Okay.
And today is showing less strength than yesterday, that's for sure.
Really, really green heat map. The only one that's quite red is Tesla.
Yeah, yeah, that thing pushed back down a lot. They missed earning by 6 cents. But it didn't sell off that much either, you know? Like we are saying that it had the expected move toward the downside of
Okay.
14%, and it went only 4% down.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that. That actually talks about not having too much pressure. Still Ionic?
Hmm.
Okay, let's take a look at Ionic.
I don't think, like, for me right there, that tells me that this is not the right trade to take today. For Ionic,
Mm-hmm.
to not make a move for this long, something's broken with Ionic.
Well, like if you see Rigetti is taking probably all the volume from Ionic. Probably the tape on Nvidia looks the way I don't wanna take a short, but like I have a tight stop loss in this one. So because I have a tight stop loss, I'm gonna let it manifest because I could be wrong. Could be wrong mean the trade is right.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
But we're gonna wait to see what is going to happen right there. Because yeah, that trade shouldn't work, but you know, like it's
Yeah.
already very extended. And like this thing was looking was it looking short? I think it was looking, yeah, it was looking short, like Nvidia. I didn't want to take the long. I didn't. The long was the best idea, but because you see what it did, but like wrong account and thing like that. So I said like, why are you choosing the wrong account? So but yeah. So Rigetti put a huge candle toward the upside right there.
Yep. 39 is very heavy. Is it going to?
To repel.
Mm-hmm.
I love you too, Zach. Yeah. Man, like I haven't done that much research yet, you know, like I have done, I know some things about it, but I haven't went as far as you. So he's talking about TBH.
Okay.
Thank you for checking that out for us. So isn't that like inside trading for the lawyer? The Elon Musk lawyer is involved in the TBH, and I told my friends yesterday, like you will see that thing probably going this circle,
Okay.
but they're gonna deflate it for sure because right now it's looking very good.
Okay.
So you know they make it look very good, then they wag it down.
Oh.
So I wanna get it at a good price. So good price is below $1.
Okay. Why am I having so much technical issue?
Yeah, your cursor is very slow. When I touch it, I feel like, oh, this is very slow.
Yeah.
Anything I can help with, Marie?
Yeah, I could just throw everything out.
You could what?
I could just throw everything out.
So I decided to move my stop loss on Nvidia. The reason for that,
Okay.
I don't want to get checked out. Why I don't want to get checked out? Because I saw it having trouble at what it is right now. So it shouldn't go a whole dollar back up again.
Okay.
So, and I say it from the open, I like the short setup, though SPY is pumping up quite well. And yeah, Nvidia is strong, I'm going counter here. But I think I have a okay price. So they will need to prove me wrong for good, or they will need to just let it fall. Yeah, Tesla is coming back up. Just a matter of time. It's not the best thing to have probably, but it's funny how we have like the mouse is not working.
Doesn't seem to. I can't. Okay.
Do you have a
Let's see.
button in the center there? There, here, there? No?
No.
Is the wheel a button? Can you try to press the wheel? I like, yeah, you can press the wheel. Because that regulates the speed of it. Yeah, I see it's just too slow. It's right here. But because you're looking at there, because with the normal move that you did, normally you will see it there. Let's fix the problem before, no? We're gonna be back in a bit. All right, we are back.
Thank you, Davey.
My pleasure. My guy, both Aurora are printing. PLTR is printing. Rigetti is recuperating a lot. And GM is recuperating a lot too. So there is something with the time decay that I am not getting on the options. Like, I do not understand it. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Because there is a variable. There are two variables that they will move against me or in my favor.
Mm-hmm.
Like, one of them is always moving against me, which is the time decay. But like the time decay seems to be insignificant with what the implied volatility is, or I don't know what. But like all those options, as they are getting closer to Friday, the window where I have to be right gets shrinked by a lot. So it make it easier, but let's just watch it go and see what it will do. Because what happens is that I'm not seeing how much I'm losing because of, like, let's say, yes, they are making profit,
Okay.
but I cannot see how much of that profit is gone because of time decay and how much profit is gone because of wrong direction.
Okay.
And those are two variables that I probably would like to see it separate.
Separate. Yeah, that makes sense.
And
right?
then I know, okay, they are right because
If
of the
it's
time
time
decay,
decay,
or they
or
are
if-
right because of the price action.
Mm-hmm. That would make sense. That they would have that separate. And they don't?
They probably do. It's just I'm ignorant in the subject.
Not for long.
Well, we are stepping in little by little. Now we are just like that. That options thing is in the simulator. It's a simulator. So we're gonna go simulator until we like, let's see, like a couple, like until December, and then I will try with real money.
Okay.
But yeah, Nvidia is okay because it's proving me right now, but it's not printing anything. It's not doing anything, and I already got a red trade on it.
Okay.
So, but is today gonna be the same movie than yesterday? And like, I shouldn't be taking any trade because I saw a SPY where it was, like where SPY was, like it says non-directional thing right now for me. So I really have to wait for a SPY to go either down or up, and then I have a clear idea of, okay, I want a short, okay, I want a long. I'm not trading Rigetti or any of those names which are right now like really moving. Like Rigetti just put $8, like $2 in the last 15 minutes. Let's put it in perspective. It's a $40 ticket, so that's about 4%.
It's actually 11% up.
Yeah, but from the PCL, but
Yes.
the PCL is at 36.
Yes.
I mean, I have that song from Demon Hunter on my head.
Oh no! No.
I'm gonna mute myself for a little. All right, everybody, we are back on the mic. So, yeah, I have this trade on Nvidia, really boring trade right now.
Yes,
I have been in this position too many times during the week about just waiting for the trade to do whatever it's supposed to do. Like Nvidia is looking healthy toward the upside, but I didn't like the resistance that we experienced at 181.50. I know it print 181.60. But it took major volume for it to print 181.60, and it didn't look that good. So that's why I decided to take a full stop loss on that and let it do whatever it wants to do. It shouldn't go a whole dollar above. So, but it can go a couple dollars down. Why? Because SPY is splitting. SPY test the 670.70, and SPY, yeah, there was that's the 70, and there is 73.26. But SPY is already looking not good, not good at all. If SPY go to 667.37 one more time, which we actually have the line on the SPY on that one.
667.80 PCL.
But the market was looking short since the open. It's just like I got a couple hot kid mistake in my first trade and wrong accounts and things like that. It's like, okay, so I missed the long. Then I say I don't really want to go long on those things that are looking so short. So like, and of course anybody can argue about that push here, but like this is going in the trade, getting out of the trade because you can get a better price, but
I'd love to find a short right now.
Find a short. Okay. What about Rigetti?
Not where it is. I'm in a long with Rigetti.
Okay. Tape on Nvidia is flipping. That's a for sure. Flipping toward the downside because it was bullish for a bit. Now it's dripping, and it has reason to drip like quite a lot. Right now I can very clearly see 175. I don't like that because I like Nvidia. Though, like those human feelings might be just as useless related to the stock market because, like, it may just need to be there, like, to be stronger, and or to prove that it's not that strong. So, like, those are just numbers, and well, when I say just numbers, it's no, just like the reality is a number reality. So. When that reality get tested, we have to be open to, hey, it can do anything from there, Nvidia is holding the VWAP quite well right now. So it pierced it for second time, but what I don't like is those two pink lines that you can see on my chart here. That pink line here, pink line, like this. Those are 400 moving average, and both of them are on top of the 200. So if Nvidia decide to fall, like the 75 is gonna be nothing. But let's be nimble and let's see how gentle we can be with those trades, because yeah. Like yesterday, we saw it going even higher than today, and like giving everything away plus a lot. How is the heat map? Okay.
Very green.
Yeah.
Except, like I said, Tesla.
Yeah, and like, but look at the technology sector. It's not even by 0.5% most of them. So like Nvidia is 0.46% up.
Right?
So yeah, like is technology sector gonna be red again today? It has a higher chance to be red because the rest of the map is suffering. JP Morgan is 0.56% up.
Yep.
Oracle is 1.5. Yes.
Yeah, AVGO, AMD,
Yeah, AMD is what? Like, it's way high?
1.35 up.
Yeah, okay. So that might be a good short. Though I'm not touching AMD today.
No?
Yeah. Let's keep the good vibes for the week. Yeah, I'm not touching AMD. Your Rigetti must be printing.
Yep. So SPY by the penny came back into the opening range at 66813 to the penny, and now has bounced off that. Didn't even pull back, which is surprising. Didn't pull back to the 200 EMA. So definitely bullish shine here. We'll see what it's going to do. So I'll see what it's going to look like. 41 is building. I like that for Rigetti.
I need to get a better trade. Let's look around.
Yeah, so SPY's doing well right now. We've got a good RSI.
So if you say SPY, hey, I see your spider. Spider.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, SPY is still looking as short to me.
It's still looking short. Okay.
Yeah, but okay, Nvidia is it's a very tricky one, Nvidia right now. QBT. I have no much reasons to stress about Nvidia. It's just like I know I didn't get the best price, so oh my god, did you look at the NTC?
Well, if it's like SPY, usually it does, right?
It's looking good.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a long time without doing any print reading, so I'm gonna read the print on NVIDIA. I have the trade low, so it's all good for me. I was trying to look for a better trade. I don't have a better trade right now. So that means if I don't take, if I have two choices. I can hold NVIDIA, believing that it would drop a lot, or I can just step aside. So because I don't have a better trade right now, so I have NVIDIA. I have to do the level job.
Okay.
So I probably just gonna, like, if NVIDIA start manifesting itself, I'm gonna erase all my levels and I'm gonna redo them
Okay.
because they are useless right now. So we are way below those.
Well, yeah, after the dip, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the print on NVIDIA, let's see what is the print doing. So we have sizes toward the upside. That's something I know as a for sure. So we are printing a lot of mixed print right now. We are printing 49. That's a little bit too close to the level I was interested on. 54. A lot of orange prints. So 60, 62. What would be the best price in my opinion? The 60. 181.60. Yeah, the print is falling a lot from the 60, but then it's coming back to test the 60. So
At 41, I'm gonna take a double partial.
for Rigetti,
Yeah.
oh. Maria, Maria. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Okay, let's do some job here. So, feel free to talk to me. Feel free to ask me anything, Marie. Whatever you are. This is quite boring job. What I'm gonna do right now. So, but I have to start doing that job because if not, I'm gonna be neglected on that one or whatever you call that thing. Inefficient. So that's Haji-san.
Okay, 41's coming.
Right, so all right.
Okay, so the president's supposed to be
Talking.
later on grabbing, planned grabbing the mic.
I'm just gonna mute myself for a second. channel. So Marie was just commenting here like about no like shorts not working at all. Yeah, I have a short and it's not working. So unfortunately, I switched my mind there when Nvidia was a very good long at the beginning. But what I'm saying here, like, do I want to go long Nvidia? Like, let's say the short doesn't work here. I get out of the short. Do I want to go long? The answer is no.
Okay.
So,
Tell us why.
yeah, like if you look at SPY, SPY is interacting with the clear level of resistance. Like yes, it pulled back down, it went back up, but let's see if SPY is able to make a higher high. Let's say, which it could do it, but like how far it will go from there is the question. And then when we look at Nvidia, like right now, Nvidia is like that tape is really bullish right now, and that's the mistake I did. Like Nvidia has a bullish tape, and I have been saying that. But what I'm saying here, like though the tape is bullish, though it can be going higher. Look at the 182. It's like my stop loss is 182.30. So if I can still be right, but like I don't have big hopes for this NVDA. So, but what I'm saying here, look at the selling on Nvidia. It's as bad as on SPY. So you have a lot of contradiction here. We push up really nice, then it sell off again or pull back. Then it went up again, not by a lot, like we are talking 10, 13 cents above, then sell up a lot again. So
Nvidia seems to at least have enough to get to 183. Are you able to survive that?
no, I'm not able to survive 183. I am able to survive 182.30, and that's it.
Okay, so when you're looking at 182.50, that's there. There's so many orders to get to the 183 that are populating right now. We'll see.
But did you see how much was executed at 182?
A lot.
A lot, exactly.
Yeah.
So, like what I'm saying here, 181.50 and 181.60 put enough stress that it shouldn't go too far from 182. Like, but that like yeah. So why would I be looking to go long on Nvidia when it's at its climax? So it's like I understand my short won't work and it's not working probably. Like I say that backward. So probably it won't work, but right now it's not working. But what I'm saying, like, just imagine I get out of the trade. Do I go long on it? The answer for me in that one is a very clear no.
No.
So and like you say, like and like what is the relevance for myself in that? Are you being like hard-headed on that one? No, it's not being hard-headed. It's just like the tape, like is looking bullish, but with that bullishness, why we didn't went up? Why we didn't keep going in here? Well, because there was a lot of resistance. And we saw yesterday how it went like bizarro at the open. I took the trade and I profited well on that one on the upside. But then it gave everything away plus another like $3-4. It's like, are you kidding me? So some memory there that is a little bit useless probably. But yeah, let's keep it nimble and let's see. I will respect my trade, and that means I will hold my stop loss there. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna look for another idea. Probably if I can fix the price on a way that I will be able to survive the 183, that makes more sense to me. If I will be trading AMD and it does the same thing that it's doing right now, then I will say, okay, you know what? Like, leave it alone or go with the long. That sounds like a pun. Leave it alone or go with the long. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
So, but yeah.
we can put that on a t-shirt.
There was one time that I wanted to do a t-shirt that say, I'm a 1 hour loser.
I mean, what?
A 1 hour loser.
I'm a 1R loser?
Yeah.
Well, a lot of people would ask you questions.
Yeah, but like never did it, and now it's not important to do that specific thing. So
So SPY is not making lower lows. It's still respecting very well the range. Does not want to re-enter the range, or am I wrong? What do you got?
for a spy,
Mm,
yeah, it bounced quite well, but like we have to be aware that the range that you are talking about
mm-hmm.
is the 400 moving average, is the pre-market high,
Okay, so I
is
don't.
the opening range high. So there are three major things in there. So it's
Okay.
bouncing good. It's looking very bullish right now. If that was your question, like yes, to me,
Correct.
it's
I
looking
find
very
it-
bullish
Mm-hmm.
until it's not. So and that's the key element here. Like why? Because we say the market lately have been doing things that we do not expect it to do, and like it's
Right?
like yes, I'm convinced it's a loan. Let's say we picture that I say that I'm convinced that this is a loan. It would just get me and boom, whack me down and say, haha, I told you, you know nothing.
Come on. So, looking
What
at
is
the
the truth,
tape.
Marie? What is the truth, Marie?
Ah,
Is what you say, is
my
what I
partner
say.
here, yeah, my partner here is like deep to a next level.
Haha. You funny. I
Muy
love you,
profundo.
too. Look at her practicing her Spanish.
I see. Come on, Rigetti. Get me the 42. So I took my double partial at 41 like I said I was going to do. And now...
Of you.
And now I am looking at the 42 for the next partial. I add on the pullbacks, but I mean really, Rigetti pullback right now aren't many. Are not many. But with Rigetti, it's playing with the money of the house because I already have 5 Rs.
Nice up.
So we'll see, but 72 would be, 42 will be so sweet to get to the 42. And 41 was quite heavy, so I didn't know that it was going to go past that. But as soon as it hit 41, you know, Davey and I speak a whole lot about the tape and say, okay, well, you know, what happens to the tape and how quick it's able to flip when it gets to these big, because there's a lot of people somewhat like us as well are saying, hey, you know, where is it going to go? Well, if it goes by that, well, I'm going to be adding, or I'm going to be going in, or I'm going to. And when we're looking at Rigetti, that just last week was at 58, there's a lot of potential in this trade. So 42 is definitely interesting for me.
Okay, patron. Okay, patron. And that Rigetti.
Late at the trade, we will see. Is there gonna be a pull back so that I can add? It's a little bit late, people. Nope. So tomorrow we're getting the CPI print. It seems like they are going to be providing it, even though that we've got a closed U.S. government. Okay, 42. Let's go. Okay, so the 4180 printed on RGTI with the whole lot 4180, there was a big order there, but the tape accelerated. So, and now we're looking at a 42. And the 4250 is building now.
What time is Trump grabbing the mic?
They're not sure. It looks like it could be this afternoon. Did we see the ballroom? Yeah, what's happening to the White House right now? The destruction of the White House?
No, I haven't seen.
Oh,
But who's doing that?
Trump.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
But
Though he promised that he was not going to, actually, that the original structure and the look of the White House was not going to be compromised with this ballroom, he is completely destroying the East Wing. And the entire White House, to give you an example, the entire White House is about 60, I think it was out of memory, okay, don't quote me on this, I think it was 65,000 square feet for the White House. And he's adding a ballroom of 100,000 square feet. Oh no, 90,000 square feet. So bigger than the entire building. But it's not going to be expensive. It's only 250 million.
sorry, educate myself like if you are available. What is a ballroom? It's a
A
whiskey
ball
ball.
room
Okay,
to
so
dance.
ball like a tennis ball.
Yes, BALLROOM. And if you say
Okay, but like what is a ballroom?
it's like
A dancing section
well, it was really
for celebrations,
popular.
probably. Okay.
Yeah, it's real. No, it's really popular. It was really popular in the Renaissance, where you would have big castles with big ballrooms. Yeah, like those, right? That would be so. Full of gold and all kinds of stuff. That would be, and they're really popular.
Very cool stuff. Looks cool.
Yeah. But
I
like
don't know
the
if
people
there's
are
a-
saying, and
yeah.
even people in his party are saying, ooh, bad timing. $250 million. We've got the government that right now has shut down. Tons of people that are out of a job, going to food banks and all
That's
that
what
good
you're
stuff.
talking about?
Yeah. Food destruction. So people are really upset because obviously this is a historic monument, right? The White House. And he said he was not going to, but we know that sometimes he lies. So, yeah.
yeah. Sorry. So how are your trades doing? Fantastic.
Yes.
That Rigetti is just fantastic. Yeah. It's quite unfortunate, those things, but
What is unfortunate?
Yeah, the political disruption.
Oh,
Like,
it's so disruptive, right? So it's really not funny. You know, you've got some people that are being threatened. Like when you go in politics, that's not what you go in for, right?
well, ladies, in the old time, it used to be like that, huh? Para bailar la bamba, tu, 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 tu. Para bailar la bamba se necesita una poca de gracia. Una poca de gracia de ti, de mí, por ti seré, por ti seré. Tu, tu, tu. Ba, ba, bamba. Ba, ba, bamba. Yo no soy marinero, tum, 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 tum. Yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Ba, ba, bamba, tu, tu, tu. Bamba sin parar. Tu, tu, tu.
Now you've invented that.
No, that's the way
You
it says.
see?
Yeah, that's
No.
yeah.
Okay, this is where we're going to finally 42. Give me my partial. You cannot get so close to the sun without being burned. Oi, how often did that 42 was
Tell that to
invented?
Nvidia at the price it is right now. But the answer is gonna be a spy. Like, what is a spy? It's a long. Like, look right now, breaking the opening range, breaking the pre-market low high, breaking the 400 moving average, and it's like it's testing it. But a test is not a test if it happened too many times, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So you hug me so much that at some point you want to stay with me, you know.
Okay.
Let's put that chart in there, you know, spy. I find that my layout is not friendly with myself. Like, it's no. I have little hiccups here and there with the setup,
Okay.
like going from one chart to the other. So when you had difficulties this morning for your computer thing, just light out that I do have to check my layout.
You do?
Yes, it's not optimal. It's not optimize it. Being wrong big time on Nvidia, so I'm just going back up. Gonna get me out, it's okay. Yeah, okay, I'm out of Nvidia. So look at that tape, how it flip.
For
Right,
Nvidia?
yeah, right after it flip.
You need to, right? We need so much to pay attention. The flipping is brutal.
Show me Nvidia, what are you made of? I resorted there, you know why?
Okay.
Because my stop loss was at 182.30. 31, sorry. There was a big seller that I have been looking at from very long ago at 181.30, so 1 cent below me. And like right now, yeah, like now I will be able to survive the 83, but still like not a good job. too fixated to the stock and blah blah blah. It's okay. It's, we're gonna make it back. But ba ba bam ba.
Mm-hmm.
QUBT looking quite weird.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like he was strong and he has been strong, but it's still looking like a short to me. It is looking like a short to me, but like
Okay.
strong name again today. So yeah, Aurora keep going down apparently. So Aurora, yeah, one below the 5. Tell me a story. Nah, sorry.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah, you look at me and did I say something wrong? Like, okay, no, it's not talking about me. It's just
Mm. Ooh. That was just not right.
it looks like that day that Trump say no tariff for.
Well, he's talking about tariff again, right? So he's already slapped some pretty significant one on Russia in the oil. He's been talking about China again. I did not hear that he's been sending letters out, but hey, you know.
Now we need to be a ballroom, so we need to collect some more taxes.
250 million.
Did you see the budget for the Golden Dome? No. Like China comment on it. China say? That looks like a pretty bad idea for the overall population in the globe. So call them. So hold it now. Budget. Initial project cost is a $175 billion. So,
You were kidding.
but the total budget is 1 trillion.
Wow.
Request for 2026. Come on, Davey. It's not a day for being red. Doo-doo-doo-dee. Doo-doo-doo-dum. A lot of friction in that price action for Nvidia. I really don't know what it means right now because the RSI is so high.
I want to show you something.
Yes. Is it has audio or not?
No audio, but this is before.
Oh, I watched it. I saw it. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. Yeah, there are people making funny videos about that.
Is that crazy or what? Oh, it's crazy. Well,
Yeah, my chair is making noise. Sorry.
deep is slipping. I still wouldn't go short.
You want to go short?
I still would not go
Will
short.
not go short. Yeah, that makes sense.
When Rigetti right now.
I actually appreciate your independence in that, like that you don't listen to whatever I say, because I remember saying Rigetti short and I see Rigetti now flying. It's like,
What I don't like is it keeps doing lower lows. And I'm not willing.
so as I say in the video, I have no stress about it. You know, if you want to work, it's good. It's,
Okay.
like, and now I got a very technical level. Yeah, hopefully we get to be more disciplined on that one. But I'm gonna look around for something else because this trade is really boring right now. So yeah, PLTR.
I'm in the same boat.
Yeah, PLTR is telling me don't touch it. So AMD, I don't want to touch AMD, though it might be at a point. No, it's not either. So like, there is no reason why to touch AMD for me. So BAC, I have no level, so that's why I am doing poorly today because I'm not following signals because I have no signals. So IO and Q,
And you don't have any levels.
I have no levels to trade, and I am trading like a cow. I mean, like now on Nvidia, I have a level right now, but like I shoot it twice without getting to the level, and I give it full stop loss for no reason. So, well, for no reason. Like yesterday, it was a healthy bet because in the first shot, it today appears by way less than yesterday. So the quality of the bounce was better than yesterday. So I say
Okay.
you have higher chances, but it's not. It's stronger than yesterday apparently. So IO and Q, Mary, what were you looking long on that?
I was short initially, and I got out with barely 2 hour loss.
Yeah, like that thing can go crazy high.
Yeah, so when I saw I was slipping, but not clear tape, I said, you know what? I'm going to just walk away.
RGTI, that's the last one I need to check. RGTI because RGTI. Yeah, the same thing. Like those stocks are at a point that I don't want to touch them. So, like we have to be aware when we are at those spots because like why to get killed when you have been announced? Like we have a saying in that like announced war doesn't kill any soldiers.
A what?
A war that have been announced doesn't kill any soldiers. So, which is not true, you know, but it's just a saying.
An announced war does not kill any soldiers.
Guerra avisada no mata soldado. Maria. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'm gonna make sure that tomorrow I have my levels clear. Because, no bueno, amigo, no bueno. Still okay today, but it's just, there's no reason why to play chicken. Ding, 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 ding. So for anybody watching, just because I don't want to misguide anybody on trading or like RGTI, no, it's not RGTI, it's NVDA. So for anybody watching NVDA, you don't know how to type NVDA, so yeah. So I went long here. That was the best price to go long, and I went long like first it was the right account but wrong hotkey, so I got out completely.
Okay.
Then I went wrong account, and but like right side wrong account, so I got myself out of there too. Then I put an order here at the same price, but it never pulled back. If you see, it just went the circle, like it went like higher from there by a lot. So then I'd say I missed the trade. So when it get here, I have no trades, but this is the 400 moving average, so I shorted there and took a loss. I shorted again, I took another loss. So now I shorted again. But what I want to illustrate here is that the only trade out of all these trades that I should be taking, it was, yes, this one at the open and this last one. These trades in between here is me being not being patient enough. So this is not being patient enough, this is not being patient enough. Those trades I shouldn't take, because when I look at my levels, this is not levels that matter to me. So so those trades are wrong, this one is right, and this one is right. So even if this one doesn't work, it is a level I have. So like, let's say even if it doesn't manifest, this is a right level. So but yeah, it happens once in a while, like less and less for sure, but we are taking trades in wrong spots. In trading, it's very important the when and the where.
Mm-hmm. Well said, baby.
So do you think Nvidia can do exactly what it did yesterday? Like yesterday, it went all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Then it came to the opening, broke down by pretty much as it went up. And yeah, it was a very good trade at the end of the day, the Nvidia. But will it do the same today? We don't know.
Yep.
Especially with Trump grabbing the microphone.
And we don't know when.
Like the overall things are looking for a long. That's why I say it's looking like that day that he say we're gonna pass tariff, where basically things bounce a bit, like from the open, and then they establish a level above the opening range. Everything is trading above the opening range. SPY is trading above the opening range, but looking sketchy. Nvidia is looking above the opening range. Rigetti is trading above the opening range. So everything is looking so long, and here I am going short. So, but yeah.
But to your point too, there is a top.
Yes, but what I'm saying, what I'm gonna do, like if he come and he say, "Oh, I was just joking about the tariff. We are all good." Just like
Kaboom!
It's and then you are out of your trade. Totally wrong.
Mm-hmm.
In the other hand, if he's not talking that nicely, that could manifest in my favor.
Yeah. Never know.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Mm-hmm. With all these machines happening there. And right now is popularity dwindling because of what's happening there. You could just reverse and go kaboom! Yeah.
Killing me softly with this song. Killing me softly with love. Life is very interesting.
Life is interesting,
Yeah.
isn't it though?
Well, in general, I find it very interesting. It's deeply interesting. So, like we were talking about these new things yesterday, and like I keep thinking about that, and I determined that probably for me it's the wrong time to be so aware of. But yeah, it's okay. We're gonna keep looking at it, and we're gonna keep taking what we think is the right decision. So,
Is there a wrong time and a right time?
well, there are times that you need momentum, and any baggage that you get can be very useless. So, like normally, if you're gonna go to a race, you prefer the lighter car, right?
Okay. Me gusta.
No, that's a way of seeing it. I think so.
Oh, is that why you cut your hair?
Yes. Now my aerodynamic is so good, man. Like
Now he's speeding.
yeah, like if you're driving a Formula One, you don't even need the helmet because this thing aerodynamic is so good.
You're funny.
You feel the wind and feel the dust.
Yeah, you don't want to feel any debris on the tracks. Quack. Oof. You lose that level, I am so out of there and so quick.
Yeah, there's some acceleration there, but that VWAP is looking good on Nvidia.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I have 181.50 buying 118 lot,
Okay.
and then that's in Inet, and Arca is buying 40 lot, and then you have 181.80 with 135 lot selling. So
So we've got Spy that's at Viva.
yeah, Spice, in my opinion, it went too low.
Well, it didn't test the PCL, did not test the 200 yet, so okay.
So if you see there is some from running on Nvidia 18150, which is right now 18166, I think that's a mistake.
Is it? Okay, so
I'm
on
not
this
sure
one
about it, but like,
here, I think I'm gonna de-risk it a little bit to get a better price.
like if you notice all the orders that we had to the offer,
Mm-hmm.
there is still one big at 700 at 183. It has 700, but they clear up that tape on the offer. Like all the big orders are gone, minus the 182.88 and the 183. Oh well, now I see. Okay, I'm talking on that. Like there is 182.50, but it was looking better before.
interesting?
No, like my friend from the trading group. We were talking a little bit there.
So we've got SPY here doing a big pump. You see?
Wake me up.
I know.
No, I'm kidding. It's yeah. If you see, we bounced from the 181.60, but it didn't last too long. So SPY is really playing chicken right now. Up and down.
Is the pasta ready?
Not really. Nvidia kind of looking like a head and shoulder right now. Like early head and shoulder, but like, yeah, shoulder, head, shoulder here, then.
You think shoulder's coming? So you're still short?
Yeah. Yeah, you want to tell me to flip? Because of SPY?
What are you able to survive?
A lot. Like 83 for sure.
Okay. Could be good. Because I think 182.50. It should make a higher high there. We'll see. Brr.
Yeah, the bid above is not holding that good. Printing 182.07, 07, then 08, then 09. Heavy bid and it gapped down 4 cents. So then it went back up, rebidding similar prices, 1 cent below.
So So SPY should make a
Um,
higher high on this run.
Right, there we go. Higher bid for Nvidia. Yeah, the bid keeps going higher and higher.
Mm-hmm.
But the key element here and what I'm trying to identify right now, because I saw it gapping down 4 cents, which is not a lot, but I want to see if it's gapping down in other above the 10 cents, which is 180 to 10 cents. So like right now it's 182, 182.13, it went to 14, it went to 17 if I'm not mistaken, 16 now, 15, 18, 17, there we go. Accelerating toward the upside, 16. Yeah, the bid is lagging behind what
671.10
671. Okay, so
for
let's see.
SPY.
Okay,
SPY should make a higher high on this push.
okay, Nvidia is really pushing up right there. So 30. I don't see the bid gapping down anymore. Forties. Oh, I got a very decent price on that one because I'm looking at it right now and my price is very good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, gap down 10 cents. That's what I'm talking about. That gap down is what I like about the short.
Okay.
But there's no be fooled by that, you know. We are still trading 20 cents above the previous test. There we go. Yeah, 7 cents gap down. Printing 21, 20s, 21. 3 cents gap down. We want to see, okay, there we go, 17 cents. So, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then we will see it at 10 if I am right. 20, 20, 22, 21, 22, 24, 21, 21, 20, 19, 19, 20. Alright, 20. 20 seems to be a price of interest right now. 24, 20. You go 24 and then right away we come back to 20s. Then 19, 18 is holding between the 18 and the 20s. 16, there we go, we have a gap down, not by a lot, and then it repeat right away after. So that's a bullish move right there. But let's see, why are you gapping down? That's the question. Who is in control? Alright, so 20, 21, printing 21, 20, 21, 30, so it gap up quite a lot. So still my price is really, it gap up toward my price, but like
671, 671.10.
yeah, I keep an eye on it. Like
Yeah, it's still on deck.
what do you have in there? What size?
60.
Okay. So printing 21, 20s again. I want to see a decent gap toward the downside before I leave the trade alone. We're gonna wrap. Okay, there we go. Sometimes you just say the things and it's like, there you go.
Just because you said it.
Yes, no, yeah. That will be an unhealthy power to have.
Joe has it for weather.
Yeah, I remember that conversation. Yeah, so can he ask for a Christmas summer?
No. You know what we do in the winter?
I know.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
You were asking the wrong thing.
It's understandable. So for me, that's it for today. Basically, I only trade Nvidia. I did a couple mistakes here, what make me miss the trade. So, and then I flip because I was convinced that it was a short. Things that never happen. So I am red right now. There is a big chance that I can be green, but for now it's just red.
Okay.
We're gonna keep it nimble, and we will see how we end the day. So I only have Monday red up to now. Nothing relevant. So yeah, let's see how we do. So what about you, Marie?
So I traded Ionic, and that was at the open. So when I traded Ionic, oh my god, I hate my mouse today. Oof,
What was that?
I hate my mouse today.
Yeah, I don't know what went on with your computer. Like
Yeah.
something really changed.
Well, there was an update last night that I did, but right now it's like I'm trading a foreign computer. Drives me nuts. Okay, let's go to Ionic. So so it's IONQ. What I did is I was going a short. That's the only short I took. I took short at 59.20, and I got out at my regular, not even my regular smaller stop loss. I'm glad I did. I saw the tape consolidating there, and I said, oh yeah, no, that's going to be going along. But I didn't see, and we know with IONQ and the same with Oklo, you usually have big moves. I saw it at 62. And it's still in 62 right now, so I'm really, really happy I got out of that trade. Then I went Rigetti, and those are the only two that I did. So Rigetti, I went long. So I went long at 39. I took my first partial at 40.20.
That's your best trade of the day, right?
Correct.
Rigetti?
That's the only two trades I've got, yes. So I went long.
Look at you, jumping today.
I know. Well, the comment, right, that we said, hey, you know what, Marie, and I thought that was a great call out. You trade more today. Absolutely. So, and I usually don't perform well, and usually I get red days when I do that. So, let's keep discipline, right? So, thank you for that, Davey. So, what I did is when I took 38.90 for Rigetti as a long.
Oh my god.
And I was able to add on the pullback. My first partial was at 40.20. Took a second partial again at 40. Added two right away. I took another partial 40.60. I took a double. Remember when we said that? Take a double partial at 41.
Yeah, I ring the bell that time.
Yeah, and then I took another partial at 41.50. Then I added at 40. I took again another partial, but then I added when it pulled back at 40.40. So I added there, and I love that. And now I'm still in the position. I still have. So that one right now is 5. You remember I said around 5 hours. So this is where I am, and I still have over an hour right now. So playing with the money of the house, and we'll see. The tape keeps flipping, and keeps flipping into around that level. So it seems to be reacting well to the 50 right now and holding well to 41. So right now I'm breaking even, and we'll see what that trade is able to produce for us. We see that the tape 41.20 seems to be a big position. It's not really a level at any place in time right now. So we'll see. I would like it to go, like my trade, I would see it at 43 today. So am I going to hold to 43?
Just 11 cents different from mine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so it's I have a level at 42.90, 42.89.
There you go.
Solid level for sure.
Yeah, so then there I would consider, depending on what SPY does, then consider flipping, but not before that.
Understood, boss, understood. So yeah, anything else or that's it?
That's it for me. That's all my trading.
Okay. So
Green day.
perfect. Yeah, yeah. She have been killing it lately.
Well, like
Oh,
I said,
lately she have like a
yesterday I had a small red day, but yes.
Yeah, but that's insignificant.
Besides that, you are correct. I have been having very, very solid green days, which is good. It's
Yeah,
good.
you have been very well touched with the tape and things like that, so it's amazing. So,
Calm and discipline, I find,
haha,
especially with call outs.
you funny.
Hey, that day I had 5, right? I traded 5. And lately it's 1 or 2, right? So it was a really good call out of saying, hey, that's really out of. And before, 5 was
Like-
really low for me. 5 tickets was low for me.
We are not the only ones that say this. Like I have here other traders saying the same thing. Like normally those days that you are having like 100 tickets, like you have probably like you trade 3, 5, like above 3 stocks probably is too many stocks for one day. At least if you're alone, if you have another trade and you say, hey, you take care of this stock and I take care of this other, that's another stock.
It's so difficult to be able to monitor all of them.
All of them, yeah.
Right?
So
you get smoked in one, you don't have enough to execute your plan.
yeah,
Then you de-risk some, but that's the one that moves. Then you're emotional. Yeah, no. We have a good strategy when we don't go everywhere. So
perfect.
yeah.
So I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody enjoy and do well. So we're gonna be here tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.